All right, this video is everything you need to know on how to deposit into your account on Genesis FX so you can join our free Forex trading account challenge. So step one is very easy. Go to the Telegram, to our pinned message, and create your account with the brokerage link right there. When done with that, you're gonna now need to figure out, hey, how can I deposit capital into my account? I'm gonna teach you the two easiest ways that I would use right now as a beginner. First one is gonna be either through Cash App. Number two is gonna be through Robinhood. So what you're gonna do is go to your account on Genesis FX and press on deposit. After that's done, you're gonna tap on crypto, go right to Bitcoin, and you're gonna then scroll down, press continue. When done, you can basically select how much capital you want to put into your account so you can trade and to put money into the account, right? So let's say I'm gonna do like, $500, which is like, we don't know what, let's say I do 250. Most of y'all probably should do like $500, $300. That's like a good number to begin with. Let's say, I'm gonna do $300. This is probably the minimum I would say is a good amount to start with. So you really can scale. All right, after you submit that, you're now gonna see this page right here with your crypto wallet deposit address. So I'm gonna copy this address right there. And I'm gonna go over to my account here on Cash App, for example. And what you're gonna go do is go to Cash App. This is where the page is Cash App. Go ahead to Bitcoin, press buy Bitcoin. You can then buy now the $300 right here. Really easy. Confirm that. All right, boom, we now have $300 in crypto. Step two is very easy. Go over here to this change button at the bottom right. Press on send. After that, you're gonna send everything, right? So you're gonna send the $300 in crypto. And then you're gonna forward it to, and you're gonna paste that same wallet address that you just copied. You're gonna paste it right there, right? When done with that, press next. Then press continue, confirm. And look at that. As easy as that, you have initiated a withdrawal into your account. So what does that mean? All the Bitcoin I just bought on Cash App is now sent over to my account on Genesis. Now, it'll take probably like 10, 15 minutes for the money to actually land, right? But after the money lands, what you're gonna go ahead and do in step two, go to the top left corner right there and go over to funds, go over to transfer, right? So on transfer, this is what you're gonna go and do. Now, after you have created your live account, right, with Genesis FX to actually trade on the broker, right, which is under your trade locker right there for all your accounts, you're gonna create your account there. It's really easy. Go over to transfer, click on from account. So I'm gonna transfer money from the main wallet, which is right here, the 405 I have right there ready, over into my live account right there, just like that. Boom. Use Max. And look at that. As easy as that, look at this. Transfer is now complete. So that for me, I can now open up my account here on Trade Locker. And now the money is there in my account where I can actually trade with the capital. As easy as that, you're not able to take trades with us live, copy our trades for free. And look, whenever you're done, guys, depositing your capital into your account, what I want you to go and do is go to my account here on Telegram, right here, Ryan Bands, right there, Ryan Bands right here. Right there. And then I want you to message me your email address. And after you're done messaging me your email address, I'm gonna then add you directly into my free VIP Signals chat where you can see we're calling out amazing trades every day. As far as with right now, guys, what's crazy, look, I'm gonna show you, look, right now, we were 8-2. So we have an 80% win rate this past month. We're going crazy. So let's say if you wanna deposit capital with Robinhood, let me show you what you're gonna do. Now I'm gonna tell you why you should even listen to me. Just look at my past withdrawals. All right, I just want to share some of my past withdrawals so you can see what's possible. Actually, we'll get into that later. I don't want to flex and brag, whatever, or be thousands of dollars off this. All right, let's say I want to deposit, through Robinhood, right? You see, we're pulling out big withdrawals from Robinhood, right? It means that we're pulling out withdrawals. Go to Robinhood, go ahead to Bitcoin. It was crypto, same thing. Scroll down, find Bitcoin, press on trade, press on buy. Now, if you press on buy, you're gonna go ahead and let's say you wanna buy again, $300, review. Now, obviously, I don't have the cash just sitting in my account to buy the Bitcoin right now, so you're gonna deposit your funds. Okay, I can't screen record, but all you do, guys, is basically, I'm gonna write it right here for you, just right here, so you have it. On Robinhood, you're going to deposit your $300 or $5, whatever it is, in the cash. Then you're going to buy the Bitcoin. Then you're going to press send. And then in address box, paste crypto wallet address from Genesis FX. And how you do that, guys, once again, go over here to my account here at Genesis FX. Go over here to wallet. Go over here to deposit crypto, right? Crypto, Bitcoin, $300. Paste. Boom. This is the exact address right there. Copy that. And you can paste this address now into your account to send it from your account on Robinhood over to your account on Genesis FX. When done with that, guys, send me a text on Telegram with your email. I will confirm that you're on my side and you're my part of my team. And look, this is an opportunity to get to this money for free. 100% free. I'm not charging you anything. So if you want to tap in, guys, this is your opportunity. Once the window closes, it is closed. But after right now, if you're listening to this video and it's available, the chat is free right now. Come tap in and come see what we got going on, man. Let's do it.